The Home Innovation Lab it's really just a big team of really talented people that bring different parts of a design to the table to produce a really high quality, on-trend product. And at the end of the day, we focus on innovation and collaboration. The Home Innovation Lab is really a marriage of interior design, research, architecture, and what that has created is being able to look outside the box and being able to apply a certain trend in a new and innovative way.
Not only do we collaborate internally with this team, we also will collaborate with the home building facility and all the way down to the production line to try to help get that end result that we're looking for, that we know that customers are asking for.
It's more than just a design center. So yes, we have a team of interior designers, we have a team of architects, we have a team of draftsmen and product designers that really their full intent is to make sure that the customer's expectation is met.
Here at the Home Innovation Lab, we want to build homes. We want to design homes for people to make memories in. This may be one of their biggest purchases in life. So we truly believe that we open doors to a better life.